So, hi, my name is Aaron Mark Ramirez, and you can call me Ron. So, I live by the saying, choose a job you love, and you'll never have to work a day in your life by Confucius. So, I specialize in helping startups, recruitment agencies, consultants, and business owners boost their placement revenue while ensuring a positive candidate experience. With over 5 years of experience, I've successfully placed talent for international clients across various industries, including clinical and non clinical roles, heavy duty mechanics, customer support and virtual assistance, IT and software development, including front end developer, back end developer, and full stack developer, e-commerce and Shopify developers, PPC specialists and designers, and I've worked with clients globally from the US, UK, Australia, Canada, and many more. So if you are looking for a recruitment specialist or recruiter, talent acquisition specialist, or talent sourcer, please message me. I'm willing to help you and your team. Looking forward to speaking with you soon.